Okay, hello guys, my name is Mayasino Bakti. I come from Lamongan. I'm 21 years old. I wanna tell you about how to introduce ourselves and our friends. Okay. At the formal condition, we know that as I introduced last time, okay, I will repeat it once more. I am standing in front of you all. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Mayasino Bakti. I come from Lamongan. Then I'm 21 years old. So, at the conversation, I have an example. Lucan, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Lucky Stephen. And you? Oh, I'm John Wick. You can call me John. And where do you come from? I come from Scotland. And you? Oh, I'm Holland. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Okay, alright. At the informal condition, we know that if we say hello to our friends, okay, hi guys, I'm John Wick. You can call me John. I'm from Sydney. Nice to meet you. Okay, that's for the introducing ourselves. For introduce our friends, we know that at the formal condition, I would like to introduce my friends. He is example is he is Abdurrahman, and then you can call him Rahman. He come from Tulungagung, then etc. Okay, at the introduce our friends in informal condition, we have hi guys, this is Rahman. He is my friends. He come from Tulungagung. Okay, that's all for this first video, and then